Hi, and welcome to the Python Fundamentals course. The use of technology is evolving in the finance industry every day, and as a finance professional with a long career ahead of you, you can't afford to be left behind. From investment banking to trading, capital markets, treasury management, and beyond, Python is a critical tool for analyzing and processing huge amounts of data, and it's the foundation of data science and machine learning, which are radically changing the finance industry. In this course, you're going to learn all of the basics that you need to know about coding in Python. We're going to start with calculations, using text and creating dynamic outputs, and using variables in your code. Python is what's called an object-oriented programming language, and we're going to dive into the different object types, what they are, and how you can use them. By the end of the course, you're going to be creating your own custom functions using for loops and conditional logic to create complex, useful tools that you can use in your job. And when you're done, you'll be prepared to start learning about more advanced topics in subsequent courses, like using Python to create data science and machine learning algorithms for finance.